This is my TaoTao 50cc 50 scooter, an ATM 50 scooter. I'm going to show you my LED light install, which is bright. It shocks me every time I turn it on. I can't believe how bright this thing is. There is 60 feet of LEDs in there. Underneath the fender, the front fender, the shroud, underneath the back, you name it. All the lights look like ice. It's amazing how bright this thing looks. Look at that. There's even LEDs in the back trunk shining down. Here's a back shot. I'm going to show you how I did this installation so you could do this to your scooter at home. First thing that I've done is I've elevated the front of the scooter so that way I can access the front wheel here in the bottom so I can get the bulk of my lights, because I'm doing 3 strands of lights. I'm going to focus one in the front, one in the center, and one in the back, and I'm going to tie them all 3 in parallel to the wire that I've pre-plumbed over here underneath my foot area, or whatever you call this front spot. This is what my ghetto rig setup is. It's just a ladder with a couple buckets to hold the front wheel together right over there, and whatever, just to kind of like hold the bike steady in the center, which gives me access to all of this. So in the front, the one screw there came out. There's 2 screws, one here and here, and that allows you to just grab and remove the front panel. In my last video, I showed you really briefly that this here is the switch. This is going to power on my LED kit. I have the wire already pre-ran out here on the front side. Here they are, my positive, and here's my grounds. Before you want to start running out all your wires, make sure you just do a quick connection on here and verify with your switch that you got everything running right, which we do. Them things look bright even in the daytime. Get to work. So we're making some progress. On the back, we have 7 LEDs, which are all flush mounted into the bottom. As you can see, well, they're not flush, they're actually sticking out to give you more light effect. So you got 7 LEDs built into the trunk, which will all be wired in parallel. We're going to run a loom out through the back of the trunk, over through here, and into the back section of the strip for the engine area of the LED kit. So when you come on, this whole ground is going to be totally illuminated. This is all going to be illuminated, more illuminated, and the front is almost halfway done. I'll show you real quick that section. So far, this is what it looks like, and this is broad daylight. It even looks crazy in the daylight. It's unbelievable. All the lights all look like ice cubes, man. Look at that. That was so cool. So it's all going down around the whole area, up through the top. We're going to make 3 trips across the top and 2 loops around. So this whole area will glow. You can see the wheel. This thing is going to look amazing tonight. I was feeling a little bit ambitious today, so I went really crazy. Look what that looks like. Unbelievable. That looks so good. I went up in there, I taped the hell out of that thing. I came out with a wire loom, so there's plenty of slack, as you can see right here, and I got it tied up to that wire harness. So there's plenty of slack to go from left to right. Full travel, no problem. Love that. So you can see I got some lights in there in the center area, which we're working on. And over here on the underside in the center, it's coming along nicely. These are the LEDs that are in the trunk area. The one in the middle gave us some trouble, so I took that one out. That'll come in later, but we'll put this all back. So you can see I got the hole running through the back of the trunk, through this area, under the seat, and up and inside, and runs down with the rest of the lights. This is broad daylight, and the lights just look astounding. So here's what the lights look like underneath. 6 strips there, 2 going around there, 3 up there, 1 in there. You just keep coming, right? Strip there, 3 in there, and too many to count underneath that center section, and the 7 LEDs in the back. Next, I'll show you what this thing looks like at nighttime.